In every conceivable manner, the family is a link to our past, a bridge to our future. Alex Haley. Chapter 4. Patterns from Our Family of Origin. Thomas Hubel, spiritual teacher and author of Healing the Collective Trauma, spent years investigating why old, seemingly disconnected traumas can be the seed across generations. His perception is that trauma has visible effects and carries hidden roots. He combines his extraordinary knowledge of mystical traditions with the latest scientific research, understanding that history presents the knowledge that trauma from the past is also a bridge to healing the hidden trauma that haunts many people that may have been experienced during childhood, but is still haunting their relationships as adults. In his book, Attuned, he said, "We might envision our ancestors as a great and ancient forest whose living roots we share. Those ancestral roots connect us to one another and to the earth as they have since long before our species first emerged. Indeed, our roots connect us to the planet, to life itself. They belong to our collective nervous system, and no matter how far apart we live or die, or how distantly related, no two humans across space or time can be thought wholly unconnected. We are bound together by our common origin. Just as the condition of an individual's nervous system contributes to wellness or dysfunction, the health of our collective roots dictates how communities and societies respond and adapt, whether to culture change or climate change. Collective trauma, such as that caused by the communal scars left behind by war, acts as a great blade, severing those roots, cutting us off from one another and from ourselves.